Hello everyone and welcome to another video from Gaming Basics. In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix no sound issue on Mobile Legends. So let's get started right away. First of all, just go ahead and open up the Mobile Legends application. Mobile Legends on your device. Wait for a while until the game is loaded. Now, when you open up your game, if your volume is lowered all the way down, then you will see this notification. So this means that your volume is turned all the way down. Make sure you check your volume levels if you don't hear an audio on your game. If this solves your issue, then you're good to go. But if you still can't get any audio on your game, then there is another thing that you can try. Just open up your phone settings and then scroll down and tap on apps. This will now show you all of the applications that are installed in your device. Now just scroll down and look for Mobile Legends. You can also tap on the search box at the top and simply type in Mobile Legends to find the app. Once you find the application, tap on it, and now there are a few things that you can try. Simply tap on the storage by scrolling down, and then you will find an option to clear your data. Simply tap on Clear Data and then tap on the Delete button to delete all of your saved data. Now you will need to log into your game once again, but this is likely to solve your sound issue. If you still don't get a sound on your game, then you can try uninstalling and reinstalling the application. Simply open up the Google Play Store or the iOS App Store and search for Mobile Legends. Now tap on the application when you find it and then tap on the uninstall button and install it once again, and now the sound should work just fine. In case all of these techniques still don't work, then you can contact the Mobile Legends developer team by sending an email or providing a feedback on the Google Play Store page. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to fix no sound issue on Mobile Legends. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching, and I will see you again in the next video.